keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans.
Happy birthday, Nanay! We love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Nanay.
I love you, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Ano pa?
Mag-wish ka, kid.
Nay, more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Thank you for everything, Nanay. Salamat po sa gusto, Nanay. Happy birthday po. We love you po. Say, love you, Nanay. Love you.
Happy birthday, love you, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Salamat, Nanay, sa kabus na pagsuporta mo sa mo.
Salamat po sa perming pag-antabay, as in sa perming pagtiwala, sa perming pagkasikaso.
Ako, ang tigpapasalamat ko man lang, jeans. Magayon na jeans. Thank you so much, Ma, sa pirming pag-antabay. Love you.
Salamat, Ma. Tumigil yaw sa mo.
Happy birthday po, Nanay. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy.
Always love you. Bye-bye, love you, love you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday. Nanay, pagal-pagal ako. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Vlogger na, vlogger.
Sana palagi kayong sa Pinas.
Palipat-lipat.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Tapos ka dun sa Pinas.
May balabin, pagkara.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Salamat sa inyo,